Hi friends, welcome back to our channel I Study for You. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to remind you to hit that like button if you find this video is helpful. Your support really helps the channel to grow. Also, if you think this video can benefit others, please share it with your friends or anyone who might find it useful. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with all my latest educational videos. Alright, let's get started with today's lesson. To improve efficiency and consistency, we have utilized AI generated voice for this video. We are committed to providing high quality content and welcome your thoughts on this approach.
Write about the implementation and execution of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Implementation and execution of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Clean India Mission, launched on October 2, 2014, by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, aimed to fulfill Mahatma Gandhi's vision of a clean and hygienic India. The mission encompassed urban and rural areas, focusing on sanitation, hygiene, and waste management practices nationwide. Here's a detailed look at the mission's implementation and execution at rural, urban, and national levels. Planning and strategy. Central leadership. The mission was driven by strong political will, led by the Prime Minister. The Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation oversaw rural areas, while the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs managed urban components. Clear objectives. Key goals were eliminating open defecation, promoting hygiene, ensuring proper waste management, and encouraging community participation. Roadmap and targets. A detailed plan aimed to achieve an open defecation-free (ODF) India by October 2, 2019, Mahatma Gandhi's 150th birth anniversary. Community engagement and awareness. Information, education, and communication (IEC). Extensive IEC campaigns were conducted using various media. Community-led total sanitation (CLTS) empowered communities to take ownership of sanitation initiatives. Celebrity endorsements leveraged the influence of celebrities to promote the mission. Infrastructure development. Construction of toilets. Built individual household latrines, community toilets, and public toilets. Solid and liquid waste management. Addressed waste management through segregation, composting, and drainage systems. Swachh Bharat Kosh created a fund for sanitation-related activities. Capacity building and training. Training programs built capacity of local government officials, sanitation workers, and community leaders. Workshops and seminars shared best practices and innovative solutions. Monitoring and evaluation. Real-time monitoring tracked progress using the Swachh Bharat Mission Management Information System (MIS). Swachh Survekshan ranked cities and towns based on cleanliness. Independent verification ensured credibility of ODF claims. Financial and technical support. Government funding allocated funds for sanitation projects. Corporate social responsibility (CSR) encouraged private sector participation. Technical assistance provided support for designing and implementing sanitation systems. Rural level implementation, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan Gramin. Focus on household toilets. Prioritized building individual household latrines. Community participation. Involved village panchayats and community members. Rural sanitation workforce. Trained masons and sanitation workers. Monitoring and ODF verification. Established monitoring mechanisms and verified ODF status. Urban level implementation, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan Urban. Public and community toilets. Constructed public and community toilets. Solid waste management. Implemented waste segregation and disposal systems. Urban local bodies, ULBs, strengthened ULBs for effective implementation. Awareness campaigns. Educated urban citizens about hygiene and sanitation. National level implementation. Central coordination, overseeing the mission's implementation. Policy framework. Developed guidelines for sanitation and waste management. Financial support. Allocated funds and created the Swachh Bharat Kosh. Capacity building. Trained officials and shared best practices. Monitoring and evaluation. Implemented a robust monitoring and evaluation system. Achievements and impact. Open defecation free, ODF, status. Significant increase in ODF villages and towns. Improved sanitation coverage. Construction of millions of toilets. Behavioral change. Increased adoption of hygienic practices. Enhanced public health. Reduction in waterborne diseases. Challenges in future directions. Sustainability. Ensuring long-term ODF status and effective waste management. Comprehensive waste management. Addressing solid and liquid waste management comprehensively. Continuous community engagement. Maintaining community involvement and ownership. Funding and resources. Ensuring sustained financial and technical support. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has significantly improved India's sanitation landscape. However, continuous efforts are needed to address challenges and build upon the achievements to create a truly clean and hygienic India.